Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael Crump back here again, talking about the latest and the greatest in PlayStation, homebrew news, and much, much more. So, there is a very popular video that's going around right now, and it is by Lance McDonald. And at the very end of it, you'll see that after installing PT, it just basically cuts off, and we're kind of left to our imagination of what happens next. Well, I'm going to show you what happens next. I also just wanted to call out that there's a lot of folks that's in the news media that's incorrectly reporting on this PlayStation 5 jailbreak. An article that I'm referring to right now is from IGN, and it says PS5 has seemingly been jailbroken and people are already installing PT on it. So they're not installing PT on it. Let's just go ahead and let's find out for ourselves what happens at the end of that video. So I'm going to go to settings here, and I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I'm going to go to debug settings. I'm going to go to game, and I'm going to go to package installer, and there we go. This is PT that was shown in Lance's video. And so I'm going to go ahead and press X here to start installing it. So there we go. We get the installation screen here. One of one. Everything looks like it's absolutely going to be great here. But we're going to find out in just a few moments that everything isn't exactly as it seems. Again, I wanted to make sure that all of you are aware of there's a lot of misinformation, a lot of news that's kind of being reported right now. And for the most part, a lot of it isn't necessarily true or even correct in a sense. So let's get this finished installing and let's see what happens. Again, no cuts in my video. Okay, PT is ready to play, so we're going to press the PlayStation button, and here is where his video stopped. And we're going to go view game, and there we go. It says this PS4 game or demo isn't playable on the PlayStation 5. If you have another version of the game, switch versions and you might be able to play it on the PS5. For more information, go to playstation.com/BC for backwards compatibility. So we can hit back here, we can hit OK, and then we're just going to go back to home here, and there is PT, and there is an indicator that says that you cannot play it at this moment. So anyway, just be very careful about some of the information that you see on Twitter and even influencer YouTube channels. So I would love to have you stick around and hang out with me. So subscribe to my channel if you would like to get some real information on the jailbreak. I'll see you on the next one. Michael out.